An overhead power cable that snapped caused the 11-hour train disruption on the North East Line on Thursday morning. 90,000 commuters were affected at 5 stations between Dhoby Ghaut and Harbourfront. SBS Transit, which is the operator for the North East Line, said 2 stainless steel wires which provide tension to the power cable snapped, causing the cables to lose tension. Of the 2 cables, one sagged halfway in the air and the other fell to the ground. The broken cables were found near Ocean Park Station during a regular maintenance check at 5 a.m. Repair work to replace the 2 cable wires were completed at around 1 p.m.
Originally, we say that we can recommence service at 2 o'clock, and subsequently we had to delay it because after we finish the work, we carry out a safety check to make sure that everything is in order and safe to operate trains. Then we identified that there was another problem. We do find that there is a low electrical insulation, so we have to actually go down to isolate section by section of the power supply to find out where is the problem. So at about 3 o'clock, we identified the location of where the cable has a low insulation.
Full train service only resumed at 4:35 p.m. The broken cable wires have been sent for lab testing for further investigation. At the 5 affected stations, 74 free shuttle buses and 131 Goodwill ambassadors were deployed to help ease the crowd. Bus services near the affected stations also provided free rides for commuters.
I think there's still room for improvement. As Minister Lui said this morning, despite the provision of free regular bus services, many commuters continued to rely on the free shuttle bus services. I think we recognize that as we improve the provision of information, we need to cover those services as well.
SBS Transit is working to beef up their IRIS information sharing service, currently serving 660,000 subscribers, to be able to send out alerts during breakdowns. The company is also looking to build an island-wide SMS system. SBS Transit CEO Mr. Ganjay Kiat said lessons were learned from the previous 2 SMRT breakdowns in December last year.
We learned many valuable lessons from the December incident. One was the early activation of the incident management team, or the incident management plan, which we did very early this morning at about 5:30. And we also made the decision to activate the free shuttle bus and also the free boarding of passing by services very early in the morning.
However, the Land Transport Authority is quick to point out that the 2 incidents are completely separate. SBS Transit says commuters are not likely to be trapped in the NEL trains, as SBS Transit runs daily sweep trains before service starts to ensure the system is in order before letting commuters in. SBS Transit does not rule out the possibility of sabotage, but does not want to jump to conclusions before the findings are out. During the press conference, Mr. Gan apologized to commuters for the massive breakdown. Are Singaporeans more understanding this time round? We talk to the affected commuters up next.